Know for sure. GK book for class 5. Now page number 7 here is mysterious space. There are true and false, tick right for true and wrong for false statement. Number 1. All gas planets do not have rings is false. So there is cross. Number 2. The first artificial satellite to be launched into space was Sputnik 1 is right. Number 3. The Earth's orbit is circular in shape is wrong. Number 4. A lunar eclipse occurs when the moon moves between the sun and the earth and blocks the light of the sun from reaching the earth is wrong. Number 5. Mercury is the hottest planet in our solar system. This is wrong. Number 6. Pluto is no longer considered a planet is correct. Number 8. The mass of the sun is 743 times the total mass of all the planets in the solar system is right. Number 9. Craters are circular holes or depressions common on the moon and some planets occurring due to meteorite impact or volcanic explosions is right. Number 10. Andromeda is the star closest to our solar system. This is wrong. Now page number 8. Wonder words. Number 1 is these birds are distinguished by their large, brightly colored triangular beaks. This has led some to dub them to bottlenose or sea parrot. They are excellent swimmers who use their wings to stroke underwater with a flying motion. This is puffins. Number 2. These large birds use their large elastic pouches to catch fish. Most species form a line or a U shape and drive fish into shallow water by heating their wings on the surface. When fish get to the shallows, they simply scoop them up. This is pelican. Number 3. These birds are found in American tropical forests. Their oversized, colorful bills can be 1/3 of their total length. The birds use them to reach fruits on branches that are too small to support their weight. This is toucan. Number 4. These long-necked large birds are tall and live in fresh water or wetlands or swamps. They can be identified by their long legs, brightly colored featherless heads and prominent bills. This is stork. Now page number 9. Furry friends. Number 1 is reared for milk, hide and also as a pet animal in Tibet is yak. Number 2. Solitary plant-eating animal with a short trunk found in the tropical forests of Malaysia and America is tapir. Number 3. Acrobatic mammal found in Southeast Asia with a human-like build and no tail is gibbon. Number 4. Native to the northern hemisphere, a small, discreet and often nocturnal amphibious animal that is valued for its luxurious fur is mink. Pictures are given here. Number 5. Largest of South America's big cats that are quite good swimmers, that is jaguar. Number 6. Recognized by the black mask across its eyes and the black bands ringing its bushy tail is raccoon. Number 7. Omnivorous animals with humped shoulders and elevated foreheads that feed on berries, plant roots and shoots and fish is grizzly bear. Number 8 is the largest number of the deer family. Largest member of the deer family found in the northern hemisphere is elk or called moose. There is hint box also, you can see the spellings from here. Now next is page number 11. Write the names of these famous Olympic athletes. Number 1. Known as the Flying Sikh, he represented India in the 1960 Olympics in Rome and in the 1964 Olympics in Tokyo. This is Milkha Singh. Number 2. She has devoted as the greatest female athlete of the 20th century by the Sports Illustrated for Women magazine, Jackie Joyner-Kersee. Number 3. He is the only runner to win the 5,000 meter and 10,000 meter and the marathon at the same Olympic Games in 1952 in Helsinki. He had a distinctive running style. He would pant and wheeze and would look visibly shattered during a race. This led to him being nicknamed the Czech locomotive or the bouncing Czech. This is Emil Zatopek. Number 4. This pole vaulter was repeatedly voted the world's best athlete. He won 6 consecutive IAAF International Association of Athletics Federation World Championships and Olympic gold and broke the world record 35 times. Sergei Bubka. Number 5. He became the first man in history to win and set world records in the 100 meter, the 200 meter and along with his teammates, the 4 into 100 meter relay at a single Olympics in Beijing in 2008. He went on to claim 3 gold medals in these events at the 2012 London Olympics as well as at the 2016 Rio Games. This genius person was Usain Bolt. Now page number 12 is Know Your Flag. Answer the following questions. Number 1. In which year was the tricolor flag, then known as the Swaraj flag, officially adopted at the session of the Indian National Congress? It is the year 1931. Number 2. When was the national flag in its present form adopted? 22 July 1947. Number 3. What is the ratio of the width of the national flag to its length? 2:3. Number 4. How many spokes are there in the Ashok Chakra in the national flag of India? There are 24 spokes. Number 5. What does Ashok Chakra in our national flag depict? It is Dharma Chakra or Wheel of the Law. Number 6. By what name is our national flag popularly known? It's Tiranga. Number 7. In the event of the death of which dignitaries is the flag half-masted? Flag flown blew the top throughout India. These dignitaries are President, Vice President and Prime Minister. Page 11. How is a book made? There are many processes. It goes to many hands till the book is published and come to the reader. So firstly we shall begin with that. It all begins with the writers penning down their ideas. Writing can take a long time. The author has to do a lot of research, revise the text, and edit the book before it is finally complete. Once the author is happy with the work, a copy of it called a manuscript is sent to a publisher. At the publishing house, an editor reads the manuscript, and if the reader likes it, editor likes it, he asks the publisher to publish the book. Only when the publisher is sure that it will be a good book does it get published. Once the manuscript is finalized, the editor works with the writer and makes necessary changes. The editors make sure that the text does not have any factual or grammatical errors. Meanwhile, the designer comes up with a good design for the book. Later, the text and images are arranged in a form of print-ready pages. To make the book error-free, the first draft of the printed book is reviewed by proofreaders. They check the entire book very minutely, including words, images, figures, and tables. Once all the pages of the book are finalized, they are given to the printer. At the printing press, the pages are printed on huge printing machines. The paper is then folded in the correct order, bound inside the covers, and trimmed to size. The writer's manuscript is now a real book. It is now time for the marketing and publicity department to create a buzz in the market so that people come to know about the book even before it is released. They arrange for book launch parties. They also make sure that the book gets reviewed in newspapers or magazines. Can you think of some other ways in which people can be informed about forthcoming books? The finished books are delivered to bookstores and libraries all over the country and sometimes around the world. The sales team works hard to boost the book sales. At the end of every season, a part of the money the publisher earns for the sale of each book goes to the author as royalty. Now, quick quiz. Number 1 is, what is a book with a soft paper cover called? Is paperback. Number 2, who invented the mechanized printing press? Johannes Gutenberg. Number 3, at the end of many books, you will find a list of the words with page numbers of where the words appear in the book. What is this list called? Index. Number 4, what is an introduction to the book by an eminent personality called? It's foreword. Body works. Use the clues to identify the term associated with her body. Number 1, this muscle is present at the top of your arm. This is biceps. Number 2, this is the opening through which light can enter your eye. This is pupil. Number 3, this is the colored part of your eye is iris. Number 4, these cells carry oxygen through your body is red blood cells. Number 5, this part of the brain controls movement and balance is cerebellum. Number 6, white blood cells are made here in bone marrow. Number 7, this organ is called the voice box. It helps us to produce sound. This is larynx. Number 8, raised hair or spots on the skin caused by cold, fear or sudden excitement is goosebumps. Number 9. This is the largest internal organ in our body is liver. Number 10. The smallest bone in our body called the stirrup is present here in ear. Number 11. They are the largest teeth that do not appear until you are an adult. Wisdom tooth. Number 12. This is the protective coating that encloses most nerve fibers is myelin sheath. Now is page number 19. Champions of change. These people made a difference to the world by bringing about reforms in the society. Pick their names from the help box and write them in the blanks. Number 1. He challenged traditional Hindu culture, denounced the caste system and formed the Brahma Samaj, a Hindu reformist sect. His efforts led to the prohibition of the custom of sati. This is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Number 2. His efforts led to legalization of widow remarriage in India. He promoted the education of girls and strongly opposed child marriage and polygamy. This is Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. Number 3. He made efforts to combine Indian spirituality with Western material progress and dedicated his life towards elimination of child marriage and illiteracy in India. He strongly promoted education among women and lower castes. This is Swami Vivekananda. Number 4. She dedicated her life for charity work and to look after the sick and the poor. In 1979, he was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize. This person was Mother Teresa. Number 5. He gave up his legal career to devote his life to take care of leprosy patients. Later, he founded an ashram dedicated to the treatment and rehabilitation of these patients. This person is Baba Amte. Number 6. He fought against child labor and advocated the universal right to education. He founded the Bachpan Bachao Andolan. He was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2014, and this person was Kailash Satyarthi. Now page number 22. Great Indian scientist. Number 1. He was a great ancient Indian astronomer and mathematician, known for his work on the revolution of the earth, predictions of eclipses, and the use of place value in number system. India's first satellite was named after him, Aryabhatta. Number 2. He was a principal contributor and practitioner of the ancient system of Indian medicine called Ayurveda and wrote a book on it, is Charak. Number 3. His groundbreaking work was in Shalya Tantra, curing patients through surgeries. He also developed many unique and practical techniques to dissect the human body and study its structure. Sushrut. Number 4. He was an outstanding Indian astronomer and mathematician who also had a thorough knowledge of Western astronomy. He is known for his book Panch Siddhantika. A detailed study of Western astronomy is Varaha Mihira. Number 5. He was an Indian astronomer and mathematician of the 7th century. His major work includes the books of Mahabhaskriya and Laghu Bhaskriya that deal with the longitudes of planets, solar and lunar eclipses, and the phases of the moon. This is Bhaskara. Number 6. He was an ancient Indian astronomer of the 5th century, known for his book Brahmasputa Siddhanta, an astronomical work. He defined zero as the result of subtracting a number from itself. This person is Brahmagupta. Animals in danger, page number 24. There are many endangered animals that are extinct. One is pangolins, are also called scaly anteaters, curl into a ball when threatened. Some pangolins, such as the African black-bellied pangolin, live entirely in trees. Others live in land. All pangolin species are hunted for their meat. Their skin and scales are used in traditional medicines. As a result, pangolins have become highly endangered. Snow leopards are found in the ancient Indian subcontinent and in the mountains of Central Asia. They have been listed as an endangered species since 1986. They are often killed by the hunters, whose livestock has been hunted by snow leopards. And the bones and hides of snow leopards are also sought after by poachers, means hunters. Leatherback sea turtles are named so because they have leather-like shells. They are the world's largest sea turtle species. They are very important for marine life as they eat species of jellyfish and keep their numbers in check. Increased egg collection and capture have led to the steady decline in their number, making leatherback turtles critically endangered now. Saola is also known as the Asian unicorn and is sighted rarely in the Annamite ranges of Vietnam and Laos. It was discovered only in 1992. They resemble cows as well as antelopes. They are recognized by two long parallel horns with sharp ends. No saola exists in captivity, and it has been recorded in nature only 4 times. It is critically endangered due to the destruction of its forest homes and also because of hunting. Red pandas, with a length of only 2 feet, are only slightly larger than domestic cats and have bear-like bodies with thick red fur. They mostly live in trees and more than half of them are found in the eastern Himalayas. Less than 10,000 of them exist in the wild. The loss of trees and bamboo in forests has caused a huge decline in red pandas population. The necks and backs of giant armadillos are covered with flexible armor consisting of 14 to 17 movable bands of horn and bone. Their heads are protected by a similar oval shield. They can grow to 1.5 meter in length. They feed on termites and small mammals such as mice and rats. They are endangered because of poaching and loss of habitat due to human settlement and agricultural development. Almost 50% of their population has been lost in the last 10 years. Quick quiz. Number 1. Which animal makes the longest migration in the world? Is Arctic tern. Number 2. On which continent will you find the rare black spider monkey? Is South America. Number 3. Which subspecies of tigers is the largest of all? Is Siberian. Number 4. Which endangered toothed whale is the largest? It's sperm whale. Number 5. The Cape hunting dogs or hyena dogs are one of the world's most endangered animals and differ from other dogs in having only 4 toes on each foot. On which continent are they found? This is Africa. Number 6. Name the apes, also called pygmy chimpanzees, which are found only in the rainforests of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. This is bonobo. Hints are given for spellings. So we have done till page number 1 to 25. For rest the pages, watch my next video and subscribe for the latest. Thank you. Have a nice time.